Welcome back to Crypto Gains for another video. I'm going to show you the price charts of XinFin, XDC. We're going to take a look at the prices. Why? Because I drop posts in my community part on my YouTube channel. Let me show you over here where, I ask people what price analysis would you like to see on certain videos. I've got all sorts on here. Make sure you check my community section. But I do ask you guys, what coin should I do TA on? It's somewhere here. I can't find it. But I want to do it because I think that it's a great project and many people hold XDC that watch my channel. So if it sounds interesting to you, drop that like, give me a subscribe if you're new watching. Let's dive into this. Before I go any further, I need to let you know this is not financial advice. Please do your further research into this before you invest your money. I'm going to use one simple indicator and it's powerful, and that's all you need to know when it comes to looking at this chart. It's called the 21 moving average. We're going to look at it on the daily time frame, and then I'm going to quickly show you it in the weekly time frame and show you where I think prices are going to go for XDC in the coming weeks. So yeah, let's do this. As you can see, right, this line is powerful because it works as support and resistance. What do I mean? Well, every time that you've seen the price break this yellow line, and let's just go right back here from 2021. Whenever you've seen the price of or XDC break this 21 line and it comes below it, it usually holds it as resistance and it finds it hard to break above. We had this short breakout, which essentially you could call a fake out, and it fell back below, look, and it tried to break it again. All these candles that you see, right, these wicks and stuff, look, tried to break it, resisted, look, resisted, had another breakout. They class it as a fake out because it came back down. Look, resisted, another breakout and another fake out. You see, it kept resisting and resisting and resisting. And it's done it for a long time. But that's because we've been in a bear cycle. And it can work for the same way when it's, when it's above. If it's broken out, it can hold it as support and bounce above it. But what interests me the most is this part here, because it's very possible now we're seeing a big trend reversal in this whole crypto space, and you can start to see XDC hold this as support and start bouncing above and coming above. So, now that you understand that and this moving average, let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. Where could it go in the weekly time frame? Well, look at this. It's been very oversold. Like I said, resisted. Look, came up, resisted, came up, resisted, straight down. It could come back to this yellow line again. And right now, this yellow line that's on the weekly time frame is sitting at a price of 4 cents. So I would expect to see, and you're talking almost double, maybe just a bit under, no, because that double is like 5.8, something like that. 4 cents, 0.42 is where I see XDC coming up. If it breaks it, my God, you're going to the moon. Prices are going to go sky high. I do like to use the RSI and stochastic eye as well, but I thought I'd just keep it really clean and simple on this one and just show you one line chart that's powerful, that can guide you on your journey. Look for this price here, 0.04 cents. 0.42. That's the price, if you want to trade this or swing trade it or daily trade it, that's the price where I would look at maybe taking profits if you're going to buy now. But again, this is not financial advice. Just look into it more. If it breaks it, you can see higher highs. Okay. Another thing that you can use for indicators is let me find it, is the EMA ribbons. They work equally as powerful. And you see here, this is the EMA ribbons. Just real quick so you can see, I'm going to get on the log scale. So this yellow line, I guess this yellow line essentially works as the yellow line that I showed you. It's a bit different because we're using an EMA. An EMA is an estimated exponential moving average. So it works a little bit different in relation to price where they believe it's going to go, but it's equally powerful. Look, 4 cents is what this is saying. Anywhere from 4 cents, 4.2. If it breaks the 4 cents, and remember I said if it breaks it and it goes up, expect it to go up to this red line. Right up here, because this is going to be the strongest resistance. It's going to be the hardest part for XDC to try and break above, and that's quite high. We're talking 6.5 cents, right? So if it comes up, breaks like the 4 cents, 0.42, expect it to come right up to 6.5 cents, and that's going to be another point where you could, potentially take some profits if you like. Right, let's take a look at this on the daily time frame real quick, and then I get at your hair. Unless you've got African hair like me, then I'm stuck. Sometimes if I grow it. So look, and this is what I'm trying to say with support, right? So it's broken back into these ribbons, and they're powerful, and it's holding the ribbons as support. Had a little slip, but we're holding it as support. If it breaks up, comes out of these red lines, it's just going to be bullish. You're going to see a tangle in the ribbons, which will represent the trend reversal. And that's when this rally is going to start for XDC. So, you know, the tangle is something similar to this. Look, we see a tangle in the ribbons where it represents the trend reversal. Prices fell down, tangle in the ribbons that it resisted. It couldn't break above the ribbons. But you've seen it break above before. Let me show you what kind of tangle you're looking for in the future. Let me see if I can find it. Somewhere over here. Here's a fine example. You're looking for a tangle like, no, that didn't tangle. Here, a tangle like this. This tangle right here, where the ribbons tangle. This is what you're looking for, something like this, where the yellow is going to come above and the yellow of the ribbons are going to be on top. And if you want to grab this up, you can do it yourself. Click on these little 4 boxes here and you type it and you look for MA, exponential ribbons. Just tap it and it will all come up. It's all free. You can download it on TradingView or upload, load it on TradingView. And look at this price action that it had when it broke the ribbons and it held little slip under, but relative support. You know, we didn't see no tangle in the ribbons after that massive pump. Came down and close to tangling, but it never tangled. So, you know, it showed that the trend was still active, and that's what you saw, a further pump to the upside. So let's see if it can do that again in the future. Guys, I'm going to leave it here. If this was helpful to you, please drop that like, give me a subscribe if you're new watching. If you haven't seen it yet, make sure you check out my Road to Becoming a Millionaire series. It's powerful. I'll show you a portfolio from scratch, which I believe we should be buying. And again, not investment advice, but I believe it's going to set us up for greatness and take us to, well, people that have not achieved $1 million or whatever it is. You're going to reach that millionaire goal with this. I believe so anyway, in the future to come. So we're on 17 episodes of this right now. Make sure you check it out from number 1. And yeah, set yourself up for greatness. If you liked it, again, drop that like. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Cheers.